Hello and welcome back. In this session, this video, this is the second part, we're going to be looking at sales and inventory. Okay, so let's get started. So we click on inventory and sales, and what we do first is to take stock. Okay, so we click on inventory here, and we have products that we've produced. We want to look at the stock. We want to look at the category of the stock and then the actual product that is going to be there. So we're going to put product based on their categories. So let's first of all add the category of a product. So let's see, we want to add something like what can I say, beef or mutton carcass. You just add one here and you take a picture of that. Let's just take this one as a picture and you just add that category, so you can add more of that. Next, you click on to add the product. So you can add the product based on the category. So you select the category here. So let me say mutton carcass. Let me take the picture of that mutton carcass. So let me use this one. And then I'll describe the product here. Okay. So I can give the name of the product. So this is the category. That is the, what do you call it? Food ribs, and come here and you give the unit price for that product. Let's say 650 Ghana cedis, and the quantity that you have in stock. So let's add 50 of them, and restock level you can leave it as 5, so that when it is getting to 5 it will prompt you that you are running out of stock. And you can give specification for this one. This is half ribs, or this is full rib, and then it is an organic food. You can give the manufacture date as this, and you put the warranty days and stick this one as in stock because it's available for if you've saved it. So we've added full ribs here, and that's the price is 650 per one, and we have 15 in stock. The restock is 5. Now, one thing you need to know is here, if this is green, that means you have it in stock, but if this is red, it means you are running out of stock. Okay, so you can click here to edit that. So you just come here and check the quantity in stock, and you can update it based on the quantity you have, and then you click to save it. So now that color is gone, and this one shows that it is out of stock because there's nothing in it. There's nothing in that stock, so you can do the same thing and click, and then you update it. So that is, and you can filter just like we have it there. You can filter based on the the category, or you can filter based on the product name by typing the product name. You can filter also based on the price of that product as well. So you can filter based on the price. So these are the price range you have here, so you can filter based on that. You can filter based on the date and that you want, the date that you fill the details. You can also filter based on that one. All right, next we going back to the inventory, and we're going to receive stock to make sales. So to receive stock, you have to select the item that you want. So let's say 4 ribs, and there are 50 available, so we are receiving stock for 4 ribs. So we are going to take 25, and we will be opening 25 to make sales. So we click to save it. Okay, so we just received 4 ribs, 25 of them, and we're going to use that one to make sales. If you want, you can click here to update it again. So you can do that. That is if you are running out of stock. That's why you click to do the update. So let's go back to inventory and sales. So we are receiving stock. Okay, so when you are running out of stock, you can go there and then make that. So it gives you how much has been sold for each item here, and these ones we've not closed anything, we've not made sales for some of them here. So that is basically how you use this part here. So after you do this, you can also do the filtering also here, and then you can export the Excel file also. So after here, we go back to this main one and make sales. So you click on make sales, and you need to select the type the name of the customer that you are selling to. Let's see, what do you call it, restaurant. So they are buying the product. So you come here and select the product they want. So they want to buy full tie of the animal, I mean the meat. So let's say they want to buy 3, you can add more. And they also want to buy full ribs, maybe 2 of them. And they also want to buy maybe lamb sausage. They want to buy 25 of that. So when they are okay, then you click to save and continue. So it tells you that they are paying 4,475 Ghana cedis, and these are the product they are buying. This is the order ID, this is the customer name, and you are now going to receive payment. So let's say it is 4,475. Let's say they are paying 4,400, okay, and they are paying cash or credit, okay. So you click to print their receipt. So this is what they are paying, and this is the total. They pay 4,000 and their balance is this. So we can keep the receipt as they come back again next time we use that one. And this is the invoice number or the order ID there. So you can print, or when you are done, you can go back to the dashboard. Okay, so back to the dashboard, we have it here. Now, one thing about this thing is that, so this is the person, KK Restaurant, these are the things that they bought, the total amount paid, and the balance is down there, and they paid cash. So next, anytime they want to come back and they make payment, and take note of this again, whenever a customer owes, the name is automatically added to the list of debtors, okay, those who owe. So when you go back to inventory, you see the list of debtors, you click here, and you recall we added KK Restaurant here, and they owe 75 Ghana cedis. So if you are receiving payment, you just click receive payment, and let's say they are paying 75 Ghana cedis, and we just update it. So when I come back to the list of debtors, I cannot see KK here, it is gone, KK. If I put the receipt number here and search, I will not get it here, because customer with this ID is not a debtor, because it's the customer has made payment. So that is how this part works, okay? And the dashboard tells you the sales that is made per week here, okay? And under make sales, you can edit sales by clicking on this, and you go over to edit the sales that they bought. So these are the items they bought, so you can go back and then change that one again, and then you update the sales that is there. Okay, so that is it for the second part of the video, which is based on sales. And take note as well, under sales, you can also filter and export sales. You can export all the sales you've made, or you can export it based on the start date and then the end date. So let's say you want to filter on sales that you made from 14th till today, you can just filter that one, and you have the list of that, and you can export that, and it is downloaded down there, and you can watch that, and you can keep that as a backup record. Okay, so that is it for the sales part. Okay, bye for now.